Okay, video, side of road, I-80 westbound, Saturday, 7 p.m. What we got here is a typical breakdown on I-80's got an air leak.
This one
Okay, gotcha.
goes here.
Okay, shouldn't be a big deal. We'll get it taken care of.
Yeah, I tried to put it, but there is something missing.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Yeah, I was trying to hustle, but I damaged my finger.
Oh yeah, you gotta be careful. Let me show you. Got a little more damage on it over here, so we're going to cut that down here. Yeah. So it's typical brake line
Yeah.
breakage on the highway. Probably hit something.
I was running at so many. There's a small car in front of me, and there's a tree in the road.
Oh yeah.
Step on it, and the tree was when he passed, he jumped on it and take it off. That way.
Yeah. Okay. That's the only one that broke though. That's good.
Yeah, that's the only one.
Okay, I got a fitting. Let's go get that.
Okay.
This is the hard part. Alright, so what's this one here? Yeah. We got it. God dang. That part done. So even though this is an easy fix, that's not real easy. got a compression sleeve in it. You want to make sure your sleeve is in the right direction. Okay. It lands. As we're tightening it down, it's squeezing it and making it a tight fit. Are you an owner-operator?
No, I'm just a driver.
Okay.
Operator of this market.
Yeah, that's what I hear.
Yeah, you can't make money.
Oh, yeah. Hopefully it gets better pretty soon.
I hope so.
I think it will.
Push the head and come, let me see.
Yeah, make sure everything's good.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a photo of it so I get proof that I did something. Holy shit. Never trust these fuckers, man. Knows I was under here. Always in a hurry. Alright, now that was a quick repair, but they're not always that easy. But you prepare yourself so that they're that easy. Hold on a second. I need you to sign my ticket.
Huh?
Everything is okay.
Yeah, it's not leaking here.
Yeah.
So
I need you to sign. Right there. All right, brother. Good job, man.
Thank you, brother.
Yes, sir. You take care.
You too. Have a good night.
Mm-hmm. Simple as that.
Have a good night.
Yeah, don't forget your triangles. Look at this shit. Get over there, people. Okay. Getting out of here is just as hard, you know. All right, buddies. We're gone, buddy. We're gone now.